Good day, Professor. My name is Abaspian K. James, and my student ID is 301208739. I'll be going through my assignment 2, which is about authentication. So let's see my code first of all. Okay, let's just see the functionality of my web page. So this is my website. Let's get a preview of my website. So first of all, we go to, that was the home page previously. This is the about page where I have, my resume and other things. So we also have the project icon, the service menu, etc. We also have the contact and the sign in. But for this assignment, which is about authentication, we'll be using this business contact menu item, sorry. And in this business contacts menu, we have a drop down, which is the contact list and add a new contact. But I think I'm signed in. Let me sign out first. Okay, I'm signed out. Give me a second. Okay, so for me to view the contact list, I should be redirected to the sign in page because I'm not signed in. But if I'm signed in, I should be easily click on this contact list and be able to access the business contact list. And the same thing goes for the add new contacts. If I'm not authenticated, then I shouldn't be able to add a new contact. Let's say, for example, I want to add, it should take me, yes, it's taking me to the sign-in form. If I want to view the contact list, let's click on that. It should again take me to the sign-in form, yeah. So unless I'm signed in, and to sign in, my username has to match, my username and password has to match that in the database. So if we look at user, the user that I'm going to be using is this one, so it should match that. If not, it's going to give an error. So yeah, I'm signed in now. It's taking me to the business contact list. So this is the list of my business contacts. I can add now, I can edit, I can delete because I'm already authenticated. Let's try to edit this one. Let's give it a different email. So let's use Yahoo. Submit. So let's see. Yeah, it changes. The same thing goes for delete. If I delete this, it should delete. Yeah. So I'm going to check my database to see if it deleted. It was the last item in the contact list, so it should remove the last item in my contact list. And we can see that the last item now is Elana. Let's see. Which is right. Elana is the last now. Okay, so the same thing goes. Okay, let's just click on this icon to see. So we have Marshall Zainab. This detail icon just gives us the detail, like a summary of everything. That's, if we have a long list, that would be important. So let's go to the code. This is basically what my code does. So let's go to see what the code is all about. So first of all, I had to connect to the database using Mongoose. So I used this link to connect to the database, and then if the connection was wrong, it should output connection error, else it should output connect to Mongoose. So let's see the controller, or the route actually. So this is important. This line of code says that if I'm not authenticated, then I need to be redirected to the sign-in page. That is very important. So what are the pages that I need to be authenticated for? To view the contact list, to edit the contact list, to process the contact list, to perform delete, add, and process adding. So let's quickly view the contact controller. Yes, so this is the page that renders, the pages. So for edit, we can see that this authorization is here again. And this edit is based on the user, the ID that has been selected, the contact ID. So yeah, basically that is it. To perform verification on my user, I had to use passport and to serialize and deserialize, and then local to verify if the user has been authenticated. Thank you. That is all from me.